Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to apply variable color and spacing value to your existing project in minutes. Okay, so let's get started. Before we begin, I have already prepared for this demo to show how to switch from local style to variable. In this case, all assets and components are linked to local style colors and also manual spacing value. So the goal is to use all variable value from two collection of variable, not just for one, not just for the color, but also for other values such as spacing and also radius. So as you can see, this is the variable that I already created before, and the variable, it has two collection. One is core and one is specific. In core, it has primary as a master color token and also include spacing and radius. To use swap and apply variable effectively, you must ensure that the variable name are identical to the existing name in the local style. However, for radius and spacing, the variable name doesn't matter as long as the value is the same. That will be connected. Okay, so let's begin. As you can see from the component, the selection color, I'm using a specific collection. So as you can see, if I choose from here, inside here, so this background color, text color, yeah, default and secondary default. In one collection color, core collection, sorry. So there is no information about the name of the biggie colors. So if you can see from specific, so it has biggie color. So I put everything related to the alias inside this collection. Okay, and now I will call the plugin. Name is apply variable. So apply variable is made from design token studio. Yeah, it's the same thing, the author from token studio. And I will call, so this is the call apply variable. Sorry, I will call apply variable. And first thing that I want to do is to swap the variable name, and the library is from local, yes, and which the collection that you want to apply first. So first thing that I want to apply is from core. Okay, and for the scan mode, I choose page, and the system will be find the variable. So this is the 76 variable apply, but it's not finished yet because I put a separate variable. Yeah, so now as you can see from this, some of the information, some of the color, sorry, so some of the color is already applied to variable, but some of them is still using local variable. So what I have to do now is call the apply variable again, same swap with variable by name, same library local, but for collection I select specific, and for the scan mode I select page. Okay, they found 302 variable apply now. So I will check from the component. So from the component is already applied to variable. Now the last thing that I want to make sure the spacing. So the spacing is not connected yet. So I need to connect all the spacing and also radius using the variable, yeah, from variable. So I will apply again variable, but for the type I select apply matching variable autofix. Okay, and library the same. For collection, because I put all related to value, spacing and also radius inside core collection, so I choose core, and scan mode I choose page. Okay, now it's already applied. Try to check is already connected or not. If I check from this is already applied, this item gap, it has value 24, and as you can see, if I double check again from local variable, it has spacing. So this is the all the list of the value. Okay, for the radius already apply the same. This is one. Or to use apply variable using a variable from apply variable this file. So how to make this the same thing like in this file. How to do that is the same thing. I will call apply variable first. Apply variable. Now I want to swap the variable name first, means related to color, and the library that will be automatically show apply variable from this file. Why? Because this file is already connected into share apply variable, yeah, from this file. Okay, so this is connected apply variable from this file. Okay, that's why apply variable is detect this file is connected into another shared file. So in the shared file it has variable collection. Okay, I will choose specific because all the information, all the related color inside the specific collection. Okay, so I will select the swipe variable first, apply variable, select specific, select page, and now already apply 8 variable apply. And now I will continue into spacing. So it's the same thing, apply variable, apply matchmaking, apply variable, select core, select page, and voila, this will be connected into variable spacing. Yeah, so this is SM, that will be 4. Yeah, I think that's all how to use the apply variable plugin in Figma. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I hope you understand my explanation, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.